What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix command prompt opens and closes immediately on a Windows 11. So let me directly get into a step. So command prompt plays a lot of role whenever we are trying to run some kind of command, and that's going to fix the issue as well. But right now some of the time when we're trying to open it, it closes randomly, and how we can completely fix this. There are 3 steps, and the first one, just go over here, search for the settings, and you have to click on the settings. And right now from here we need to navigate to the apps. Now from here go to the startup app. Now from here if you scroll down over here, you can see there are few things which is actually running. So over here in my knowledge I have turned it off all these things, but this will not be the cases in your case, because most of us might be turned off a lot of random apps, so that is causing the issue. So what I'm saying is you just need to close all the suspicious apps which is running in the background, and once you close all the suspicious apps that is running in the background, you have to close this. Then what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for system over here. You have to search. So what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for sysdm.cpl, and you have to press enter. Now what happens is it is going to pop up like this, and you have to click on the advanced. Now click on the environment variables. Now from here what we need to do is you just need to go over here, and you have to scroll down over here and click on the edit, and right now it is going to ask you to this. And right now from here what we need to do is the first and foremost step, we just need to select any path. So right now select this one and go for edit, and right now we need to create a new path. So just click on new, and here we need to type C, then type colon, then put an slash, then we need to type this Windows. You have to just type Windows, put a slash, then we need to type SYS, then we need to type WOW64, that is SYS WOW64. So it should be written same as it is how I have written. The W should be capital and another one should be small, and you have to type this as a small one, and it should be 64. Then once afterwards you just go for OK, and you have to go for OK over here, and you have to close everything, and you have to check. Still if you're having the trouble, we just need to go over here, search for the registry editor, and you have to click on this one. And right now go for yes, and from here we need to close this over here, and we have to go to the H key local machine and expand this. Then from here we have to scroll down and navigate to the software. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the Microsoft. Then from here you have to scroll down and you have to find one thing called command processor. Now we need to find the command processor, or you can find command processor over here. And if you find anything named autorun here, for example, you might be finding any file named autorun, you have to select it and delete it. That's what you have to try. Once afterwards, what we need to do is just close this, and if you go back over here on the CMD and click on the CMD, go for run as administrator, most probably it will be popping up and you will not be having the trouble. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.